Hey everybody, Lee Perkins here with J.L. Perkins Wealth Management. You know, when the markets get shaky, we tend to get a little bit nervous and we may start listening to what the financial gurus have to say. These folks are on TV almost 24 hours a day, and they're usually trying to tell us what we should do right now or what we should do today in response to market volatility. They then usually give you a prediction of what they think the stock market's going to do. So in today's video, I want to provide you with a comprehensive list of the people who can successfully predict the stock market. But before we go through the list, I'd like you to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified when we post other videos. All right, so here it is. Here's the comprehensive list of the people who can successfully and consistently predict what the stock market is going to do. All right, here it is. All right, so as you can see, it's a very short list. As a matter of fact, this list is so short because there's nobody on it. But we still take the bait because despite all the evidence to support the fact that markets can't be predicted, we're still tempted to change gears because of what they say. Now, who is they? Well, to me, that's a very interesting question. And in my opinion, they can be anybody. It could be a coworker or maybe a family member. But a lot of times it's the media. It's the same media that thrives on sensationalism. I know you've all heard this saying, if it bleeds, it leads. Well, it's absolutely true because we've been trained to consume more of their news when things sort of seem awry. And the headlines get us almost every time. And because the media profits when we consume their news, they're very quick to spread what I call the apocalypse du jour. Or whatever the catastrophe of the day is. And sometimes this news can seem so frightening and so scary that we begin to question the viability of our long-term plans. Sometimes we can resist the urge to change gears, but unfortunately sometimes we can't, and we wind up making a bad decision. If you don't believe me, all you have to do is think back to when the coronavirus started. Remember what they said? They said, well, this time is different. Well, it may have seemed like it at the time, but it wasn't, at least not as far as the stock market was concerned. But some people got really scared and they bailed. And by doing so, they lost sight of the big picture and really the importance of investment discipline. They let their emotions sort of sabotage their plans. Despite what we want, the stock market goes up and it goes down. Sure, if we had our choice, it would go up double digits every single year and we'd never see a down year. But that's not reality. It's not reality. What is reality is the stock market reacts to news. And since the news is unpredictable, the stock market is unpredictable. And this is why we don't do short-term planning for our clients, and we don't recommend that you make drastic decisions based on the news of the day. Now, if you want to play that game, there's a lot of people out there who will take your money and tell you that they know what's going to happen in the next month or two, or maybe the next 3 months. There's an entire industry that's been created because of our impatience and our desire for microwave-like results. They're out there. All you have to do is go check them out on the web. Go to loseyourmoney.com. I don't even know if that's a real website. Probably should be. Look, I don't know when the next market downturn is going to happen, but it will. And so what's the best investment strategy for you going forward? Well, it's the one that you can stick with in up markets and in down markets. And this gives you one of the things needed for long-term success, and that's uninterrupted compound interest. So as always, ignore the gurus, tune out the noise, and enjoy your life. And remember, your time is more valuable than your money. So if you like what you've heard, you can leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also learn about the problems that we help solve for our clients, and you can check out our website at the link below. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.